Let's explore PHP string functions, focusing on split and join operations. These functions are essential for manipulating strings, breaking them down, and putting them back together. We will cover the explode function, the implode function, and the string split function. The explode function splits a string into an array by using a delimiter. Here's the syntax. It returns an array. The function name is explode and it takes three parameters: a string delimiter, a string, and an optional integer limit, which defaults to php_int_max. Let's look at some examples of how to use the explode function. For basic usage, we have a string variable that is assigned to the value apple, banana, orange. Then we create an array variable that is assigned to the result of calling the explode function. The parameters passed to it are the delimiter, which is a comma, and the string variable. The result is an array containing apple, banana, and orange. Now let's look at an example using the limit parameter. The text variable is assigned to the value 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the parts variable is assigned to the result of calling the explode function. The parameters passed to it are the delimiter, which is a hyphen, the text variable, and the limit, which is set to 2. The result is an array containing 1 and 2, 3, 4. The implode function joins array elements into a string by using a delimiter. Here's the syntax. It returns a string. The function name is implode, and it takes two parameters: a string separator and an array. Let's explore some examples of using the implode function. For basic usage, we have a fruits variable, which is an array containing the values apple, banana, and orange. Then we create a string variable that is assigned to the result of calling the implode function. The parameters passed to it are the separator, which is a comma and a space, and the fruits variable. The result is the string apple, banana, orange. Now let's look at another example with a different separator. We have a words variable, which is an array containing the values PHP, is, and awesome. Then the sentence variable is assigned to the result of calling the implode function. The parameters passed to it are the separator, which is a space, and the words variable. The result is the string PHP is awesome. The string split function converts a string into an array of characters or chunks. Here's the syntax. It returns an array. The function name is string split, and it takes two parameters: a string and an optional integer length, which defaults to 1. Let's explore some examples of using the string split function. By default, it splits a string into single characters. We have a text variable that is assigned to the value hello. Then we create a characters variable that is assigned to the result of calling the string split function, with the text variable passed as the parameter. The result is an array containing the characters H, EL, L, and O. Now let's look at another example using a custom chunk length. We have a string variable that is assigned to the value ABCDFGH. The chunks variable is assigned to the result of calling the string split function. The parameters passed to it are the string variable, and the length is set to 3. The result is an array containing ABC, def, and GH. Here are some key takeaways. The explode function converts a string into an array by splitting it with the delimiter. The implode function converts an array into a string by joining the elements with a separator. The string split function converts a string into an array by splitting it by length. Practice these fundamentals for string manipulation. These are essential PHP functions for string processing and data transformation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.